Hello, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I've given you any update on the progress I've been making on my 3D printed prosthetic hand with the parts printed by JLCPCB. So something that I found but needs to be reiterated, I think, is 3D printing is not machining. That being said, the parts for the fingers themselves came out really close enough that with a little bit of filing and sanding, completely usable. Sure, I did have some dimensional issues with the metacarpal bases where the proximal twos slide in. In total, the parts were all 10 thousandths small, but then I had variants of another 12 thousandths from largest to smallest. On the one that was dimensionally furthest, I had to take 22 thousandths out of the window, and the one that was closest, I only had to take 10. For me, that's no big deal. Just throw it on the milling machine, take a couple passes with a 3/16 end mill, and we're good. But if someone's trying to put this together as a kit, they're either going to need to find a local machine shop that can do that surface, or they're going to be spending quite a bit of time with a file. Either way, plenty acceptable, just something to keep in mind. Now for the winder assembly, I'm not convinced that 3D printing is going to be the optimal solution. And for that, I'm going to be working with a couple companies that do on-demand machining, just to see what type of surfaces that they can provide for anybody that's wanting to put it together as a kit. I have a couple companies that have contacted me, and I'll be exploring that avenue shortly. But if we want to talk about just the finger assemblies themselves, JLCPCB did a wonderful job printing the parts in SLS stainless and PA12 nylon for this assembly. There's a link in the description, and first-time customers can get a coupon good for up to $54 off their first order. Once I get back onto this as a project, I'll be sure to keep you up to date on all the progress that I'm making. Please remember to like, subscribe, share my videos, and if you have time, please leave a comment in the comment section. That type of thing really does help my channel with the algorithm. Thanks for watching.